How to become a Twitch affiliate. If you just started streaming on Twitch, there are a few criteria that you need to match in order to become an affiliate of Twitch and to start earning. Here I've just opened up an article by Twitch themselves, and there are a few criteria that you need to match. The first one is you'll need to have at least 500 total minutes of broadcast in the last 30 days. That's the first criteria. You'll need to stream at least 7 days in the past 30 days. That's the second criteria. And the third criteria is you need to have at least 3 viewers or more in the last 30 days. And the last criteria is you need to have at least 50 followers on Twitch. So those are the 4 criteria that you need to match to be eligible for affiliate of Twitch. Once you have fulfilled all these criteria, you'll get an invitation link. So in the next step, it says become an affiliate. You'll get an invitation link. You just click on get started and it will take you to the preferences tab, and you just follow the steps that are given. You can also see a few more steps right here, and you can see other payment methods. So the main thing you need to have is the criteria fulfilled. Once you do, you will easily get the invitation link and you can start becoming an affiliate of Twitch. So that's the process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.